Okay, been called to repair a motorized love seat sectional and trace the problem to. First of all, I was here last year repairing a wire in the armrest. So I was down here troubleshooting all these wires again for no reason. But the problem was where the AC cord fits in, right there. So you see where my flashlight's pointing, there's an AC adapter, converts everything to DC like a computer, laptop or something. And it goes through all these little modular plugs. And so I took the switch apart, which was this guy right here in between. And it turns out, it's kind of hard to do this with one hand. All right, it turns out that my wiring was still good, even though I used plumbing techniques to solder that back together. I didn't have a soldering iron that day, but today I brought a soldering iron just in case. So I'm gonna push this button here by my index finger. Where is it? Hard to do with just. All right, so I'm pushing forward. All the way out. So that's the all the way out position. And let's get to the same button and toggle it backwards. Okay. Pulls back in. And then the other set of switches are for the headrest. All the way back. Neutral. That doesn't look too neutral now, does it? Let's see what we got going on there. That looks more like it. Okay. All right, it's just probably not all pushed back together, right? So, yeah, just gotta give it a tweak. Give it a little bump. But anyway, that is a fix that was simple, but I went around it the real hard way. And so you see I have all my little needles out for my testing. So that's it. Good night.